today was the hottest day the region has been in almost 3 years, folks.
Yeah, an excessive heat warning is in effect through tomorrow night as Maryland remains in the grip of a dangerous heat wave.
Earlier today, O's fans tried to stay hydrated at Camden Yards as temperatures reached the triple digits. The bad news, it's only going to get worse come tomorrow. We're going to send it over now to meteorologist Chelsea Ingram. There's good and bad news. Give us the good news.
Okay, the good news is one more day. We can get through it. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. The bad news is tomorrow's going to be hot, okay? Today's high temperature, that was 100 degrees. The last triple-digit day, well, that was back on July 25th, 2016. So it's been a while. And of course, we're okay that it's been a while, but oh, it was just so hot today. And we have another excessive heat warning in place. This is going to be in place through 9 o'clock on Sunday evening. Once again, we'll be dealing with feels like temperatures over 110 degrees at times. Right now, we're in the mid 80s in Baltimore, 89 in Annapolis, 88 in D.C. We're in the 80s on the shore, and then down into western Maryland, right around 72. That is the coolest temperature I can find, and that's out in Oakland. So this is what it actually feels like. You factor in the combo of heat and humidity. It doesn't matter if the sun's out. This is measured by temperatures that are recorded in the shade, so it's even a thing at night. 111 is what it feels like in Annapolis, 93 in D.C. 95 is what it feels like in Baltimore. I told you there's a light at the end of the tunnel. We'll talk about when that arrives and how much better it's going to feel. Those details are coming up. Over to you.
Chelsea, thank you so much. Health and safety officials say you cannot overemphasize the importance of staying hydrated with these temperatures.
WJZ is live. Pat Warren spoke with the head of Sinai's emergency department about the risks that come with heat like we're experiencing now. Pat.
That's right. The problem with heat stroke is that you may not even know you have it until it's too late. Staying cool on the outside and hydrated within.
2 waters and 2 lemonades.
These triple-digit real field temperatures are more than a distraction.
We got these fans, so it's helping a little bit.
But it's circulating the hot heat.
Yeah.
They are a health hazard. A code red extreme heat alert is in effect from now through Monday. Dr. Neil Roy is chairman of the Sinai Emergency Department.
Not uncommon to have some deaths every year during this time. Particularly, people aren't able to keep up with hydration. They overheat, and they come to the ER with what's called cerebral edema and heat exhaustion, profound dehydration, and then may die. So it's certainly not something to take lightly.
It is especially threatening to those who work in the heat.
We have to be very, very careful. The quickest way we can do is obviously hydrate immediately, rotate our people, not stay in that environment for a very long time.
Heat exhaustion itself can present with people being dizzy, lightheaded, dry, and being confused. So if you see a loved one that's not behaving the same way, seems kind of out of it, really get prompt medical attention and get them away from the heat.
Artscape has installed misting stations, and the city has opened Community Action Partnership cooling centers and extended pool hours to help people avoid heat-related illness. The surefire way to beat the heat is to stay out of it. So it's important for us to all take it easy in these temperatures.
Definitely. Really stay cool, stay inside, stay hydrated.
And grab something nice and icy. And remember, young children, the elderly, and people with chronic medical conditions are the most vulnerable. I'm Pat Warren reporting live for WJZ.